It's the end of an era. On December 31st, 2025, the MTA will stop selling and distributing the MetroCard, closing the chapter on more than 3 decades of plastic swipes that carried millions of New Yorkers through their daily commutes. So, before we say goodbye, this is the story of the MetroCard. Before the MetroCard, the city moved on metal and exact change, with tokens and coins feeding turnstiles one by one. In the 1980s, the MTA began imagining something new, a magnetic stripe card designed to make travel faster and simpler. When the MetroCard was introduced in 1994, designed by the branding firm Siegel and Gale, it arrived with the blue background and bold yellow lettering. It didn't replace tokens overnight. There were posters explaining how to swipe, and MTA workers stationed near turnstiles, coaching riders through their first attempts. In 1997, the MTA unveiled MetroCard Gold, the design most riders remember today, highlighting a major change. For the first time, riders could transfer between subways and buses with a single card. By the early 2000s, subway tokens had been phased out and swipes had taken over. The MetroCard streamlined fare payment and introduced weekly and unlimited passes, reshaping how New Yorkers moved through the city. These cards became part of daily life, but they weren't perfect. Cards failed at the worst moments, machines jammed and sat out of service, fares rose, there were frantic reswipes at the turnstile, too fast, too slow, met with glowing blue messages reading insufficient fare or see agent, and yet through sweltering summers and frozen winters, the MetroCard was always there. Today the MetroCard is being replaced with the Omni, the new contactless tap and write system. Some celebrate its speed and convenience, others miss the simplicity and certainty of the swipe. I suppose this is how people once felt when the MetroCards replaced tokens. As the final swipes draw near, we remember the humble blue and yellow rectangle and the countless journeys it made possible. It wasn't just a way to pay a fare, it was a quiet companion in everyday New York life. So that's kind of interesting.